going on, everybody? Hope everybody liked the last video. You guys got to see the crew that I have. You know, Omar, he's my manager for the repair side. I got Willie, he's the mastermind at custom fabrication. I got Zeke, he's the mastermind in the performance as far as like the builds and all that. I got Angel 1, Angel 2, they're both hard workers. And then Miguel, he's my lead tech. You know, I'm trying to keep everybody in a positive mindset. So, you know, hopefully everybody has a good day today. Hopefully we get to crush it today. And hopefully this week is, you know, hopefully we have a good week this week. Hopefully everybody does too.
So here we are fitting the new AC unit. We just want to make sure that everything is nice and tucked under the dashboard so it looks perfectly professional. Then we move on to welding in the firewall. You can see a little bit of spot welding doing there. Follow after that. Put some seam sealer, sand it all down, make it nice and even. And then we apply a coat of 415 to make sure that all the metal is sealed. I decided to paint the booster to match the car. You can see me there spraying a little bit of primer, and then we moved on to the top coat and obviously the clear. But it turned out to be very, very nice. And then here comes the fun part of the day. Omar poking my ribs. We talked to the customer about cleaning the radiator support. Here we got the hood hinges for the Cutlass, the 72. I'm gonna sandblast them right now so we can get rid of all this old paint. You know, this is not the proper way to restoring a car. So we're gonna put it up to Precision Garage standards. So let's get them sandblasted, and by the end of the day, hopefully I can get them powder coated black. So let's take a look at it real quick. Let me stick my hands in here. And off to the races.
Ezequiel, me sobran mangueras, ¿dónde van?
What are you doing, Angel?
Damn, Ezekiel, you're all in his personal space.
I'm trying to figure out what he's
You
doing.
can even count his nostril hairs. Look.
There's a booger in there.
That's how you record.
No, you don't, dude.
We want to see Angel's perspective.
So we got the last pipe for the Tahoe in the oven. I got the second hinge for the Cutlass getting ready to go in the oven. But in the meantime, let me show you the firewall is ready. I got the booster, I got the transmission wiper, the wiper motor installed again. And then back there by the wiper cowl, there's these grills that originally came in silver, or that's how the customer had them painted. We're gonna go flat black or satin black. I still gotta decide. The hinges for the Cutlass are ready. This is the second one. I did install one already in the car. The customer wanted to see it. I wanted to present it to him when he came yesterday to look at it. So the first one is done. And then a couple of little accents for those of you that are familiarized with these GM products. This is the spring that lifts the hood when you pull the release. And then here's the latch. Also same treatment, powder coated. I wanted to blend in, and I'm gonna explain you guys why. So come on over with me to the Cutlass. Yesterday, the customer came in. We give him a little update. Let me squeeze in here. I'll show you guys. So we got the firewall done. Don't want to move it a lot because I don't want to get dust everywhere. But anyway, so now it's gloss black. I color matched the booster to the accents on the engine, the block, and the valve covers. And then while we were talking to him and presenting him where we at with the project, we started talking to him about the idea of deleting all the holes, since he's not going to be using the cover that goes here over the fan shroud. So we pitched him the idea of eliminating all the extra holes that were mounted on here that we're not going to need anymore. So he agreed. So yesterday I cut coins, weld them in. Now we're just doing a little bit of body filler to prep it for paint. I'm going to prime it later on today, and late at night we're going to be painting. We're always burning the midnight oil here at Precision Garage. So we're gonna take this car from an 8.5, a good looking 72 to a majestic looking 72 with our touch, and obviously the customer agreeing with all the ideas that we have.
All right, celebrating Willie's birthday today, turning 65.
Halfway through the process, all the holes are gone, big difference. Now it's some primer, getting ready to paint.
Hi, Willie.
¿Qué pasa, Celine?
Ahora, ¿qué estamos haciendo?
Vamos a empezar a armar ya el Cutlass. Ahorita estoy esperando, ordené unas piezas para el atajo. Ya las dos bisagras las tengo puestas. ir aquí. Ahorita ya los apretamos. ¿Ya viste la diferencia? De antes como estaban platas ahorita.
Y ahora se miran muy más mejor.
Yep.
Looks really nice.
Yep. Ya nada más ahorita los apretamos y listos.
Quick little setup for them. So they each get a bucket and whatever choice of their drink to go start egg hunting. Let's go check on them. Hey guys, so these will be the eggs that we will be doing the egg hunt for the guys. So this is the whole lot that we have to do. Ready to go, Turbo? Come on, let's go. You guys each get whatever bucket. The egg hunt is outside, obviously where the car's parked. There's one golden egg, and there's 5 bigger eggs that have bigger prizes than just what the smaller eggs have.
Damn, so everybody gets an egg?
Well, whoever gets the egg. I mean, there's only one golden egg and 6 of the bigger size, and all the other ones are smaller.
What's in the golden egg?
The red truck. I guess you'll see with whoever gets it.
Salud, everybody. Ahora pues, la salud, everybody.
Cheers.
Wait, is this starting now?
Yeah.
Holy fuck! I can't go, bro. You're already drunk.
Look at this.
Look at Willie, you see?
Did I fucking forget eggs and shit?
Look at
Ready, everybody get closer.
Do you guys get them all? Yeah. Look.
Eh?
I got the biggest bubble.
Anyway, from all of us at Precision Garage, we would like to wish you and your family Happy Easter. Thank you very much.
Happy Easter.
Thanks, guys.